Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive a Chevy Malibu and want a little more performance instead of fuel saving mode, you might want to turn off eco mode. In this quick guide, I will show you how to do it step by step. First of all, understand what eco mode does. Eco mode adjusts your Malibu's engines and transmission settings to save fuel. It's great for long trip, but it can make the car feel less responsive. Turning it off give you quicker acceleration and sportier feel, but you may use more gases. And the next step is locate the eco button or controls. Here you can see the eco buttons, then physical eco button. Depending on your Malibu model years, there are two ways eco mode is in controller. Physical eco button usually near the gear shift or on the center consoles, and drive mode selector on the touch screens. Then for a new models, and turn off eco mode button methods. Here you can see turn off the eco button. Start your car, find the eco buttons, press it's once the eco mode's light on your dashboard should turn off. You are now back to normal driving mode. Turn off eco mode's touch method. To tap the drive modes or setting options on the information screens. Select normal or sports modes instead of eco. The change will apply instantly and eco mode will be off. If you restart your car, some models remember you last setting, others may default back to eco. You can also press the accelerator more firmly if you need quick power even in eco mode. For maximum performance, consider using sports mode when available. And that's it. Turning off eco mode on a Chevy Malibu is quickly and easy. Just find the button or change your drive mode on the screen. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.